Introducing an all-season solution for outdoor entertainment, Neptune Full Sun Series by Peerless-AV. Neptune outdoor smart TVs bring everyone's favorite content and apps outdoors, creating a feature-rich backyard oasis. The smart TV is powered by WebOS Hub, making it customizable with hundreds of apps available in the content store. Featuring the exclusive LG Think AI Home dashboard, Neptune outdoor smart TVs allow for convenient control of compatible IoT smart devices. High dynamic range ensures you will enjoy brighter highlights with more contrast, resulting in deeper, richer colors and a more realistic natural image. The commercial-grade panel also supports a sustained level of 800 nits. Neptune Full Sun outdoor TVs come equipped with 4K UHD resolution and an IPS panel featuring commercial-grade, high-temperature technology and anti-glare coating, ensuring exceptional color performance and consistency when viewing the screen from different angles, including high ambient lit locations. These outdoor smart TVs are all-weather rated and designed to withstand fluctuating temperatures in any season. Featuring an IP54 rating, and the ability to operate in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Neptune outdoor TVs provide the versatility needed for virtually all installation areas. The sealed cable entry point maintains the weatherproof rating and helps protect internal devices from rain, snow, dirt or dust, and even insects. To combat any Wi-Fi interruptions when streaming, we developed the FreePath technology input compartment cover. With the purchase of a Neptune outdoor TV, you will also receive a free outdoor rated tilting wall mount to provide a secure installation. Make your dream outdoor entertainment experience a reality with Neptune Full Sun Outdoor Smart TVs by Peerless-AV. Visit NeptuneTV.com to learn more.